In today's video, we'll assist you in selecting whether or not the SEMrush tool is fit for you. We'll tell you all about its features, pricing and why you should buy one. So firstly, what is SEMrush? SEMrush is a tool that helps you optimize your website to search engines. It is one of the most famous SEO tools currently available. It works by providing you with lots of information, which you can use to each 1. Producing new web content that is expected to bring traffic. 2. To identify link building chances. 3. Tweak the technical features of your website content so that it reaches a higher search ranking. For instance, SEMrush can provide you with keyword suggestions. It can also show you how hard it will be to rank towards specific search phrases. It further recommends websites that might be worth addressing for backlinks. With SEMrush you can 1. Analyze your website. Before starting your competitive analysis, it's always necessary to see how your site performs on various parameters. SEMrush assists you gather all the valuable information within a few minutes. Just copy your domain name in this SEMrush search bar and choose Domain Overview from the drop-down menu, including hitting the Search key. The report order gives you an overview of wherever your website stands. 2. Recognize your organic competitors. From this organic research report, hit the Competitors tab to get insights on your competitors. Don't be scared by a large number of competitors you'll examine here. Pay near attention to those metrics. The competition level, more common keywords, SEO keywords. 3. Keyword Research of SEMrush review. SEMrush is most well known for its keyword analysis capabilities. 4. Website audit and fix errors. The website audit functionality in SEMrush helps you prepare a diagnostic analysis of your website. 5. On-page SEO checker. This feature is an extremely underrated SEMrush tool, which pinpoints your website's specific weaknesses and gives you actionable suggestions. 6. PPC Analysis of SEMrush review. I wouldn't be preparing a SEMrush review if I didn't mention its powerful PPC tools. Observing your competitors, PPC adds as a necessary step in waiting for one step leading of your competition. 7. Customer support of SEMrush review. It can build or break a company's reputation. Customer support is one of the important factors in a company's success. SEMrush is an extremely easy to use software. What do we love about SEMrush? SEMrush gives users various detailed and advanced digital, including SEO marketing metrics. Complete SEO reports which are great for clients, marketing agencies, large organizations, and individual digital marketers can be generated. Now for how much can you get your hands on this amazing software? You can get SEMrush Pro for $99.95 per month. It is designed for smaller companies and startups. SEMrush Guru for $199 per month, which is decent for agencies and medium-sized businesses. SEMrush Business for $399.95 per month, which is best for agencies, large companies, and e-commerce operations. SEMrush Enterprise has custom pricing that's set when you configure your custom interface. Therefore, this is for large, rapidly scaling brands. Is SEMrush ideal for you? Regardless of whether you're running a small niche website, an official website, or a corporate website, rating high in these search engine outcomes pages, SERPs, is the most famous goal of each webmaster. You will find SEMrush very famous for producing content marketing ideas and refining your brand presence online. So that wraps up our review video of SEMrush. We strongly suggest you try the device yourself and see how it improves your site's SEO. And if you have any queries, feel free to contact us or leave a comment, we will surely get you by. Thank you for watching our channel.